special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Portage and Summit. Special weather statement for Geauga, Portage, southeastern Cuyahoga and Summit counties until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Cuyahoga Falls, or 9 miles north of Akron, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing 50 miles per hour winds and small hail. People in Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, and Summit counties, including the cities of Cuyahoga Falls, Hudson, Streetsboro, and Manaway, should monitor the weather situation closely. Listen for possible warnings, and be prepared to take appropriate action should severe weather threaten.
This is NOAA.
Here's the storm they're talking about right here. It's just about to move into the Stowe, Ohio area, and the rain's coming down.